if you no longer need Ecitizen app on your smartphone and you want to uninstall it, then in this video I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process to uninstall Ecitizen app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to get started, you need to go to your apps, open your apps, and you should see Ecitizen here. To uninstall, just long press on it and you should see we have the option to uninstall. However, if you don't see this option, then you need to go to Google Play Store and just search for your app. So I'll just search for Ecitizen and I'll run my search here, and now I can see my app is here. As you can see, the app is installed and we have this option also to uninstall it. To uninstall, I'll just tap on uninstall and then confirm, and this will remove Ecitizen Gavam Kononi app from my smartphone and together with its files. Now if I go back to my apps, now you can see I no longer have Ecitizen app on my smartphone. So that's how you can simply uninstall Ecitizen app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.